Hi everyone, we're gonna make chai in our morning drinks. So this is our homemade spices, and we have been brewing this one overnight with we have star anise, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves in this spices, and it smells good. Yummy, it smells so good. So now I'm ready to make myself some chai tea. So I'm gonna add this is store-bought chai tea bags here. Okay, I'm gonna add that there. That will give us a better, a stronger smell. Different with this store-bought, they have that smelled in there that I want to achieve when I'm drinking it. And just add a little bit more hot water there. So I'm just gonna let this one infuse for another half an hour so I can get the best of the chai. Now I'm back. Oh, I'm ready to make myself some good homemade chai tea. And I just spin this one up. So now I'm just gonna peel this one up for more so I can have more for later. There. This is very healthy, guys. Imagine all these good spices here, the cardamom, the cloves, the cinnamon, and the star anise. All have some sort of health benefits. I don't even have the ginger here yet. I'm gonna skip with ginger because I have so much ginger already on my stuff. In this pumpkin syrup here, I have ginger here, and this has lots of concentrated ginger in here. So now I'm just gonna sweeten my chai tea with my homemade spice pumpkin syrup there. And you can still add something here. You can then now add some cream in here if you want it creamy. But I'm gonna just taste this one. So for me, this is just so good. The sweetness, the bitterness of the spices, and I can smell it so good. So this is fine. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of creamer. Just get that rich, nutty taste on it, on my cream. There you go, guys. That's our homemade chai tea.